Hey everyone! Welcome back to Online Scam Advisor, the channel that helps you avoid online traps and spot real scams before you waste your hard-earned money. Today, we're checking out a trending website called Aerless.com, which sells the Aerless Vacuum Kit travel bag. Is it really a smart travel solution, or just another online scam? Let's find out. Aerless.com advertises a compact travel vacuum kit that claims to quickly compress your clothes, save up to 70% luggage space, come with a rechargeable mini pump, work silently and efficiently, and make packing easier for travel, business trips, or daily use. The pictures look impressive, and the videos seem professionally edited. But we know something. Shiny ads don't guarantee a legit product. Let's break down the website and look for red flags. First, domain age Aerless.com appears to be a very young website, and new stores often vanish quickly after taking orders. Second, no company details. There is no real company address, no owner information, and no verified business background. Legit brands are transparent. Scam websites hide everything. Third, cheap pricing strategy. The Aerless Vacuum Kit is sold at an unbelievably low price compared to branded travel compressors. Huge discounts on new websites are a common strategy to attract quick buyers. Fourth, plagiarized images and reviews. Most of the images and customer reviews look copied from other online stores. There are no real, verified reviews from actual customers. Fifth, poor return and refund policy. Their refund policy is vague and unclear. Most scam stores write complicated policies, so customers can't get their money back. After checking multiple scam reporting platforms, there are warnings from users stating they did not receive any product or received something completely different. Delivery delays, no tracking numbers, and unresponsive customer support are the major complaints. So, is Aerless.com legit? My honest verdict? The website shows multiple red flags, no transparency, no real reviews, and suspicious pricing. I strongly suggest you avoid buying from Aerless.com unless more trustworthy reviews appear. It looks highly risky and potentially a scam website. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Online Scam Advisor. Drop a comment below if you've ever purchased from Aerless. Your experience can help others stay safe. Thanks for watching, and stay alert online. Thank you.